This is the Rexing V1P, I believe. And let's say you bought one of these devices, but it happened to be in the language that you don't speak. This video is going to say how do we change this language, even if you don't know how to navigate these menus. When you start the thing from scratch, let's see here, it will be in record mode. Right, it'll automatically start recording, and you can't access any of these menus in record mode, so you're going to have to click record to stop that. You're going to click this button down here. This will get you into the menus. And then you're going to click it one more time, and that will take you into the second menu. You'll use these record and mic buttons to go up and down. So hit mic, keep going down. And this here is the language option. So then click OK. And then you can use these buttons to go back and forth. And then pick the language you want. And then you can hit OK. And then if you go out, now it's back into the language you want, and then all the other menus are readable.